recognition, but sadly, Prabhu and the Queen hadn't got any children. It made the royal couple very sad. A few of his apprentices suggested the king to adopt a child, but Prabhu and the Queen refused. No thank you, but for us, our own son or daughter is better than an adopted child. The Queen often cried. She was very sad that she hadn't got any children. Seeing that, Prabhu was very hurted by the Queen's sadness. That was why Prabhu decided to go. He went to the jungle. There, he prayed to God. Every day, he prayed and begged for a child.
Oh God, please give me a child for my kingdom. Please answer to my prayers.
Finally, his prayers was answered. His dream came true. In a few months, the Queen was pregnant. The royal couple was very happy. 9 months later, a princess was born. People sent many presents as a gift for the newborn baby. The princess grew as a beautiful teenager then, but she's very spoiled because her parents loved her too much. Day by day, the princess grew even more beautiful. No girls could match her beauty. In a few days, the princess will be turning 17 years old. So the people from the kingdom went to the palace to celebrate her 17th birthday. They brought many presents. Prabhu only took some gold and jewels and gave it to the goldsmith. Please make me a beautiful necklace for my daughter, said Prabhu. My pleasure, Your Majesty, the goldsmith replied. Then he worked with all of his heart and his ability. He wanted to create the most beautiful necklace in the world. The birthday came. People gathered in the palace field. When Prabhu and the Queen appeared, people welcomed them happily. Cheers were getting louder and louder as the princess appeared with her fabulous pretty face and her expensive dress. People admired her beauty. Prabhu got up from his chair. A servant gave him a small and glamorous pillow. A wonderful necklace was on it. Prabhu took the necklace. My beloved daughter, today I'll be giving you this necklace. This necklace is from people in this country. Please accept this necklace, said Prabhu. The princess accepted the necklace. She looked at it in a glance. I don't want to wear this necklace. It's ugly, she shouted. Then she threw the necklace away. It shattered into many pieces of gold and jewels. It was broken. Everyone couldn't even say a single word. They never thought that their beloved princess could do such a cruel thing. Inside that silence, they could hear the Queen crying. Then every woman felt sad and started to cry. Then everyone was crying. Suddenly, there's a miracle. The earth was crying. Suddenly, from under the ground, a spring emerged. It made a pool of water. It sank all of the palace. Soon, the kingdom became a big lake and sank all of the kingdom. This story teaches us the importance of my story. I'm so sorry if I made any mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.